Dumb We're in a Prius. Welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Tara, your host, and thank you for joining us. We're just coming off a 30-day road trip, and we had the opportunity to visit family in Southern California. I grew up in this area, and I'm quite familiar with the roads, and especially the freeways. When you hear that, hey, I rode my Harley in Southern California, many people have this fantasy of riding their bike under the palm trees and cruising along the beaches. Well, for all you riders in Southern California and the LA area, my condolences, because wow, it's not fun or relaxing to be riding in this crazy LA area. I learned to ride here while growing up in what I like to call the glory days. It wasn't nearly as overpopulated, and there was all these open areas where you could take off and go dirt bike riding, which I'm so glad I did because I learned some major skills from that. But here's what it's like now. Yes, there's the traffic, which is everybody's major headache in LA. But if you know what times to ride, you can keep that pretty much at a minimum. But the traffic is one pain but the real reason I hate riding LA freeways is the condition of the roads. Heck, I live in the Midwest and we have roads with potholes and other issues caused by weather. In Southern California, you don't have that weather, but you just have some awful freeways. The mixing and matching of materials they use, it just creates bumps and uneven pavement, and oh my God, the way they cut the grooves is horrendous. It will grab your front tire and you are like ready to just go whatever direction it leads you. Then there's of course the drivers, who are dangerous to everyone, whether on two wheels or four. So let me share a bit of our ride on the freeways, and you can decide if riding the LA freeways is something you want to try. We can go up to this pickup truck, this white one.
All right, let's do it.
Come on over. Dumb. We're in a Prius. Should know better. If you want to get over one, we could. Come on. Come on. God, I hate those grooves. Go, go, go. Can you keep up?
Probably not.
You want to get in the carpool lane?
I don't care. It's up to you.
Just that there's a lot more trash over there, but it's quicker. Usually. Then sometimes you get people like this that are turtles in here. It's too choppied up. I don't like the lanes in it. It's not well maintained. Get around this van. Uh-oh.
Well, they're on a call.
Yep. Bye, Porsche.
Speed limit through here is it 70 or 75?
It's probably 55. But people will drive 80 and 90 because there's a space available for them. They'll just go. Are you good at that speed?
That's the guy behind me that keeps getting up on my butt, and then he backs off, and then he's up on my butt, and then he backs off.
Hopefully you got to experience a little bit of what LA freeways are like, and this wasn't even the worst. If you want to see what it was like when we got caught in a police incident out in LA, then you'll want to check out the video link at the end. So ride safe, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Catch you next time on The Nation.